Subscribe the Pharmacology Concepts by Rajesh Chaudhary and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pharmacology Concepts by Rajesh Chaudhary, and in this video I will discuss basic and important MCQs of Autacoids, and this question basically focus for the GPAT and NIPER, and you can pause the video to read the question properly and try to solve the question, and all the link of theory lectures are available in the description box, so you can see and watch the videos. So let's start the question and answer. So take a look at question number 1 and try to solve this question, then I will tell the answer. So answer is the D, all, means autocoids are derived from all these substances. For example, eicosanoids and PAF means platelet activating factors are the lipid derivative. Angiotensins, plasma kinins are the derivative of peptides. And histamine and serotonin are the amine derivatives, and others like nitric oxides. So these are the basic and important autocoids. Now take a look at question number 2. So answer is the 1 and 3, B. So N-methylhistamine and imidazole acetic acid is the major metabolite of histamine. So take a look of metabolic pathway. So basically L-histidine is the precursor for the synthesis of histamine, and the histamine further converts into the N-methylhistamine and imidazole acetic acid as a metabolite with the help of this enzyme, means N-methyl transferase enzyme and diamine oxidase enzyme. And histamine is formed by L-histidine with the help of decarboxylase enzyme. So this is the basic metabolic pathway of histamine. Now take a look of question number 3. So answer is the B. H2 receptors cause the positive inotropic effect, and take a look of some basic important physiology of H2 receptors. So it controls or regulates the GI secretion, also show the positive inotropic and chronotropic effects, mean increase the force of contraction and increase the heart rate, and it also causes the vasodilation effect due to the GS-PCR. So basically H2 receptors act by GS-PCR and H1 GQ-PCR and H3 and H4 GI-PCR. Now come to the question number 4. Take a look. So answer is the B. So for the diphenhydramine, answer is the Q, means it has a centrally anticholinergic activity. So basically we know that the all sedative antihistaminic drugs have some anticholinergic property, and for the synergine, answer is the T, means it has a antivertigo effect. And for the doxylamine, it is used in the morning sickness, and for the terfenadine, it shows the arrhythmia, means torsades dew point as a side effect, therefore it is withdrawn from the market. And for the ketanserin, answer is the S, means it is used in the Raynaud's phenomena. So this is the basic things of question number 4. Now take a look of question number 5. So answer is the A. Estimazole and terfenadine both shows the torsido dew point as a side effect. Torsido dew points means increase the QT interval. And now take a look at question number 6. For the this question, answer is the C, 5-HT receptors. So basically ciprofloxacin has also interfere with the 5-HT receptors activation. Basically they decrease the activity of 5-HT and therefore they increase the hunger. And now take a look at question number 7. Answer is the C, tryptophan. So take a look of basic metabolic pathway of 5-HT. So basically 5-HT means 5-hydroxytryptamine or serotonin, basically synthesized from tryptophan with the help of hydroxylase and decarboxylase enzyme, and 5-hydroxytryptamine further converts into the 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid with the help of monoamine oxidase and aldehyde dehydrogenase enzyme. Means 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid is the major metabolite of serotonin. So this is the basic metabolic pathway. Now take a look at question number 8. Answer is the C, sumatriptan. Means sumatriptan is a 5-HT1D agonist. Now take a look at other drugs like buspirone is a 5-HT1A agonist and used in the anxiety. Means it is a anti-anxiety drug. And next is the ondansetron is a 5-HT3 antagonist and used as a antiemetic drug. And the sumatriptan is a 5-HT1D agonist and used in a migraine therapy as an anti-migraine drug. And cisapride is a 5-HT4 agonist and it has prokinetic effects, therefore it is used as an antiemetic drug. This is the basic feature of these drugs. Now come to the next question, question number 9. So answer is the D, 5-HT3 receptors basically is a ligand gated cation channels, and all of these receptors like alpha 2 H3 and 5-HT1A are the GIPCRs, therefore they act as a autoreceptors. So answer is the D, 5-HT3 receptors are not a autoreceptor. Now come to the question number 10. Answer is the F, none. Means 5-HT regulate the these all actions. Means 5-HT act as a neurotransmitter, therefore they regulate the neurotransmission. It also shows the vasoconstriction effect. It has a cognitive function. It enhances the learning and memory, and it has a prokinesis effect by the 5-HT4 receptor, and it also regulates the synthesis of melatonin, which is a biological clock regulator. And now come to the question number 11. Take a look. Answer is the C, thromboxane. So take a look of other drugs. So basically prostaglandin E2 has a vasodilation effect by the EDRF, means endothelial derived relaxing factor like nitric oxide, and it is a GQPCR. And next is the prostaglandin F2 alpha has a broncho and myocardial contraction as the major effect, and thromboxane has a vasoconstriction, and prostacyclin as a vasodilation effect. Now come to the question number 12. Take a look. Answer is the A, LTB4, and it is basically neutrophilic leukotrienes and has a chemotaxis action. And the LTC4 to LTF4 are the eosinophilic or cystinyl leukotrienes which have a osmotic reaction. This is the basic feature of leukotrienes. Now come to the next question, question number 13. Take a look. Answer is the B, latanoprost. So latanoprost is basically used in the glaucoma therapy, and other drugs like misoprostol used in the ulcer, and it is a ulcer protective drug. And the L-prostadil used in the erectile dysfunction, and the dinoprost used for the labor induction. So this is the basic feature of all of this drug. Now come to the question number 14. Take a look. So answer is the D, all has an anti-osmotic action. So basically G-Luton is a flux inhibitor, means lipooxygenase inhibitor, which is the enzyme lipooxygenase is the responsible for the conversion of various leukotrienes from the arachidonic acid. And the montelukast is a leukotrienes receptor blockers, basically LTC4 to LTF4 leukotrienes receptor blockers. And the corticosteroids basically inhibit the phospholipase A2 enzyme, which cause the formation of phospholipids into the arachidonic acid, which is the main precursor for the synthesis of various eicosanoids and PAF. So now come to the question number 15. Take a look. So answer is the A, 20 carbon atom. So basically all the eicosanoids, these agents are derived from the metabolism of 20-carbon polyunsaturated fatty acid, which known as the eicosanoic acid, and is the basic structure of eicosanoic acid, which produce various eicosanoids like prostaglandin, prostacyclin, thromboxane, and leukotrienes. And these are the basic question or MCQs of AUTOCOIDS. So, if thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel for the upcoming videos. And last, thank you. Keep watching.